aggregate are the prime constituent of different layers of road pavement. The aggregate subject to bear the impact load caused by the moving vehicle.
In this program, we shall demonstrate the determination of impact value. As per IS 2386 IV, the apparatus required to determine impact value consists of an impact testing machine, enamel tray, damping rod, and a set of sheets having 10 mm sheet, 12.5 mm sheet, fan at the bottom, and lead at the top. These are arranged in a proper way. First, fan at the bottom, then 10 mm sheet, then 12.5 mm sheet, and lead at the top.
Today we demonstrate the impact value of force aggregate. To start with the experiment, take some quantity of force aggregate sample. The sheaves are arranged in such a manner that pan at the bottom, then placed 10 mm sheaves, then 12.5 mm sheaf, finally lead at the top. Now place the sample in the set of IS sheaves. Then shake the complete assembly using sieve shaker so that each particle gets sufficient chance to pass through the sieve opening. After proper sieving, fraction of aggregate with different sizes will be written on different sheets. After that, collect the sample from 10 mm sheet. The cylindrical cup is filled up accordingly 3 layers, and each layer is tamping by 25 times with the help of tamping rod. Then weight the aggregate. Then place the cylindrical cup mold at the testing machine and tie it properly. Now lifting load is applied by the help of hammer. It is applied 15 blows continuously with the carrying. Now lock the hammer and collect the samples from the cylindrical cup. Pass the cross material through IS sieve 2.36 mm. Then shake the assembly. Then measure the aggregate which passing through 2.36 mm sieves. Then come to our calculation part. Here we see the aggregate impact value is equal to the weight of aggregate passing through 2.36 mm sieve by total sample taken into 100%. And we have already observed the value. Finally, we calculate the aggregate impact value and it is equal to 13.55%. This table represents the classification of aggregate based on impact value and it is as per IS code 2386 part 4. As the value of aggregate impact value is